Using BizTask.ai, design a data warehouse and deploy directly to Snowflake Data Cloud. To do that, we need to create a data warehouse design project in BizTask.ai by choosing the respective project type, the name, selected organization and description, and then create. Now choose an industry under which you are going to create a data warehouse, give name, description and then create. Now let's design it. Explore existing and add to design, or design it new using create new subject area, give name and other details. Under the newly created subject area, add new fact, give a fact name, add measure or attribute under the fact. Once done, save it. Now add a new or existing dimension. Here I am using an existing one. After adding dimension and fact, define the relation by connecting the facts and dims. Now view the interaction model diagram of the designed data warehouse. View the DDL of Snowflake Data Cloud immediately after design. Now establish a Snowflake Data Cloud connection by providing the authentication, details, test and then connect. The newly designed data warehouse ready for direct deployment to Snowflake Data Cloud. Give schema name, create DW. Let us log into Snowflake Data Cloud and check the newly created data warehouse. It's perfectly done. Second one is data analytics. Using BizTask.ai, make Snowflake Data Cloud searchable. Ask business questions and get analysis directly from Snowflake. To do that, we need to create a data warehouse searchable project in BizTask.ai by choosing the respective project type, the name, select organization and give description and then create. Establish Snowflake Data Cloud connection by providing the authentication details, test and then connect. Now BizTask fetch the schema and table details from Snowflake. Choose the sources which you want to make it searchable. Business automatically detects some of the configuration part. If required, change it manually. Define relation if more than one source is selected. Now your source is ready for searchable. In this video, we are using a COVID cases dataset. Let us search confirmed cases. Get the various analysis report and results directly from Snowflake. Also, we can add it to board. Explore analysis using search term page. Then explore analysis using data maps. Get analysis reports like statistical, histogram, coverage and then top 10 and bottom 10. In top 10 you can see various visualizations. Simply build dashboards and share with your team. Thanks for watching.